Hello everyone. I want to discuss a certain area that is taught in business studies in grade 8, and that is business communication. This area is taught in grade 8 and it has two terminologies, that is business and there is communication. I'll give you a brief introduction of this running area and what it is and what it involves. Now, let us begin by asking ourselves, what is the meaning of the term business? Now, the term business means buying and selling goods with an intention of making profit. Now, in order to do business, the business person must interact with the people. That is, the person must be talking to people in order for his goods to be bought. These people can either be customers, managers, treasurers, or treasurer, etc. Now, interaction during business activity is very important because this is where the customer will know what is available in the market and the price of the items, etc. Now, this will now take us to the next terminology, which is a very important aspect during business activity, and that is communication. That is communication. Then we ask ourselves again, what is the meaning of the term communication? Now, communication is transferring message or information from one point to the other. That is, from point A all through to point B. So, message will be moving from point A to point B, or information will be moving from point A to point B. That is what we call communication. Now, in order for communication to take place, three aspects must be available. And which are these three aspects? The first one is a sender, the other one is a receiver, and transmission medium or channel. We shall go through each of these aspects one at a time. Now, let us analyze the aspect at a time and task all the purpose for each. We begin with a sender. Who is this? This is the source of the message and can be a person or a device. And it creates the message to be transmitted. I repeat, this is the source of the message. And this can be a person or a device. It creates the message to be transmitted. To transmit is to move from one point to the other. Now, receiver. Receiver, this is the destination or the end point where the message or the person who will receive the message. This is the person or the final person who is going to receive the message. Now, transmission medium or the channel. Now, this carries the message from one point, that is from the sender, to the other, that is the receiver. That is from the sender to the receiver. Now, we have the sender who will transmit the message through a medium or through a channel to the receiver. I would want somebody to note here, when message is sent by the sender through a channel to the receiver, the sender expects to see a response from the receiver. If no response, it therefore means that information or that message did not reach the way it was supposed to be. Now, let us now combine the two terminologies, that is business communication. It is the process of transferring information from one person to another within and outside business environment. That is what we call business communication. That now being a brief introduction of this topic or this strand, business communication, I would like us to see now what we are supposed to be learning through this topic. Now, according to curriculum design, the strand, which is communication, appears on Unit 2, and in this curriculum design, the learner is supposed to identify forms of communication in a work environment. The learner is also supposed to explore the factors considered when selecting channels of communication. Remember, we called them the media. The learner is also supposed to analyze ethical and unethical practices in business communication. And D, recognize suitable channels of communication in a work environment. This is going to be discussed in the next lesson. Otherwise, for now, we know what we are supposed to be learning in business communication. Thank you very much, and let's meet in the next lesson. Bye.